Okay, well, it's about 7:30 out here. As you can see, it's all frosty. I'd say it's about 8 degrees. Just gonna come out and do a little cold start on this. My new Craftsman plowing tractor the plow has on it. Usually I put the choke on and this thing will fire right up, but I don't know if it's gonna give me trouble this morning. There it is. It gave me a little trouble, but not much.